Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a few days. My husband had some mini strokes and we had to obviously take care of those. He is doing better, so I'm happy to say that. Today I thought I would come on and show you two really quick and easy ephemeras that you can do for your junk journals, your mixed media journals, whatever you want to do. So let's get started. Okay, so we have two simple ephemeras that we're going to talk about today. And the first one is a simple hanging ephemera where you just layer bits of paper, lace, buttons, whatever you want onto a bulb pin or a safety pin if you don't have bulb pins. And then you just pin them to a page. You can pin them to a tag, whatever you want. They're just a nice little addition. They're super simple, so let's get started and let me show you how to make it. And you can make them in varying sizes, short or small. Short or small. Okay, the first one we're going to make, or the one we're going to make, because I only think I need to show you one. They're super easy and super simple. I'm going to get a bulb pen. And you can find these at craft stores. You can order them from different shops online, whatever you want to do. And since mine is spring themed, I'm going to get a green one out. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that. Oh gosh, you can't see it. There it is. Okay. And then you just layer bits of paper. So I'm going to tear this book page. And then I'm going to tear some of this rose paper. And I'm going to shorten it a bit because I don't need it that long. And then I'm going to use some green doily, paper doily. And then I have some pink, silk here I'm going to use. And then another piece of pink paper. Okay, and then I think I'll get one more because I want to put maybe a word on there. Or maybe not. I don't think I'm going to do a word. Alright, but I'm going to use just a plain small brown tag as well. I'm going to ink up the papers. So I'm just going to kind of run it around there. Okay, all I'm doing is kind of inking the sides real quick. And there we go. And that's all you have to do. And you have a great little piece of ephemera. It can hook to a tag as part of a tag like this. It can be on its own. It can hook to a journal page. They are really quite versatile. They're super easy to make. You can sit down and watch TV and make a whole bunch of these at one time if you wanted to. And then you just have them. Make them in vintage or, you know, whatever. Pinks. Make them different colors. And see? And then it adds to a tag as well. Now this next one, this next very easy but different piece of ephemera takes a little longer, but it's still a lot of fun. And it's big impact for a small amount of time. So what I've done is I've just cut out a hole in this coffee dyed envelope and I've covered it with just clear plastic from a package. That's all that is packaging. And then I also covered in this die cut butterfly, also with the same clear packaging. Okay, now I'm going to take this card and I'm going to decoupage part of this napkin on it, and then I'm going to put it behind this butterfly, and you're going to have a really cool ephemera piece that you can write on the back, and it's a shaker. Very fun, very different, And the envelope, I'm going to decoupage on the back of this card. I'm going to attach it to the front of the envelope, so you will still have an envelope you can use, but you will have a shaker envelope. So let's get started. Like I said, all you have to do is get your napkin ready and get your decoupage out. Pick what you want to decoupage. Okay, and then I'm going to take my napkin and bring over to a flower piece that I want. And I call this scenic shaker cards because there's like a scene in the background. Okay, and then I'm going to put some more. Then I'm going to dry this super fast. Once it's dry, I'm just going to cut it out. And then I'm going to tape it on 3 sides to my window. So I'm going to put the tape on the front part. And I'm using double-sided tape. You can glue it too, but I always use double-sided tape so you guys can see it finished. So all I'm going to do is put my double-sided tape. But I taped it on 4 sides, but I'm only going to untape it on 3 so I can get it situated and put my beads in real quick, and then I will tape it. Okay, now I'm going to slide this down and make sure it adheres on the 3 sides. Okay. So you get it in on 3 sides, and you still have room to slide your beads down in top. Okay, so I'm just going to add in a few. I have a bag full of many different colored seed green beads. And since this is for spring, I'm going to add a few of those in. Make sure I get a bunch of different colors. I'm going to put them in there. And then I'm going to then I'm going to go back and peel off my tape across the top here. And you just seal them in. And there you have your envelope shaker card with your green beads. How cool is that? And it's scenic and it's 3D. Very cool. Okay, now another way you can do this if you don't want to do an envelope. Oh, and by the way, you can still use this as an envelope, of course. You can put, hold on. You can still use this as an envelope. You can put a tag in, journaling card, or whatever. So very cool 3D background ephemera using an envelope. You can also do it using a die cut, again with plastic packaging covering the hole. And we're just going to decoupage on this little piece. Okay, and again, I'm going to come with my napkin and just place it where I want the image to be. Oops. Straight. There we go. Then I'm just going to put some more on top, dry it again, same. Once it's dry, just cut it out. Okay, and then we're just going to attach it to the back of our die cut butterfly. And we have a really cool 3D looking ephemera. You can add you can add beads to the inside, sequins if you want, or it can just be a 3D piece of ephemera that you write on the back. Totally up to you. I'm going to use it more as just like a journaling card and just a neat piece of ephemera. Oops, no, right. And now remember, when you're attaching it to your die cut, that your glue or your tape goes on the side with the image, because you want the image to show through the window. And it doesn't have to be 1000% coverage like the rest, because obviously we're not going to put any beads in this one. You could put beads, definitely, if you wanted to make it a shaker. I just decided making this, it looks really pretty without, so I'm not going to. You know, and that's the beauty of doing these. We can change our mind as we go. Cut that off. Okay. And there we go. How pretty is that? Gorgeous. I hope you like our scenic envelope with shaker. I hope you like our scenic die cut butterfly. And I hope you liked our super simple hanging cluster with all the different spring colors. It's so pretty. So thank you for being here with us today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also be sure and hit that subscribe button and that little bell so you'll know when we post new videos. I will see you tomorrow. I've got a lot more great ideas coming your way. Take care. Bye.